I'm Valerie, and this is Makeup by Valerie. And today I'm really excited because I'm going to do my first mini tutorial. And what we're going to do is we're going to do an eyelash hack today. And we're going to, this e.l.f. Sheer For It Blush Tint, we're going to apply this thing here for the second time. I applied it first yesterday, so I kind of know a little bit about how to apply it now. But yeah, let's see if you can see the, okay. And this one is, the color is Left on Red. So we'll go ahead and get started. And that's why I made up today too, because like mostly made up, is because this is a mini tutorial. So hopefully I'll have some success with that and you guys will tune in and subscribe. All right, let's see here. Let's go ahead and do that eyelash hack first. I'm going to use L'Oreal's Extensionist mascara. And this is in black. It's waterproof because I have allergies, so it kind of helps me out, you know, I don't get runny mascara. Okay, now we've gotten to the point where this has gotten a little messy, so I do clean the brush just very lightly though, just the lightest touch. Just go ahead and do that today. Yeah, and you want to get all those little baby lashes on the bottom, which is why I'm wiggling it back and forth, so I make sure I get those. And now I'm gonna do the tips. I'm just putting mascara on the tips here. Okay, so we get like uniform thickness all the way through the lash. Okay, keep doing that till we get the desired thickness. All right, just gonna separate this a little bit. There we go. Got a little bit of lash. Just kind of. This side's giving me some little trouble today. Okay. There we go. And so I'm going to go ahead and do my right eye now. I'm going to dip this in here again. Okay. And I mean, it just, I don't know what it is about the Extensionist mascara. It just kind of gets kind of goopy towards the end. Okay. I'm just gonna lightly wipe it and start applying. Oh, those aren't even at all today. Yeah, let's do this first. Okay. And just wiggle, get those little baby lashes there. get the base nice and thick. Move you over here so you can see me a little bit better. Okay. Now we're doing the tips. Okay, those are some long lashes, longer than I've ever had before. So yeah, that's basically what we did is we did the lash, and then we also reinforced the tips so we get uniform thickness all the way from the bottom to the top of the lash. And I cannot wait to use this here with you guys. It's lip and cheek stain. Again, this is the box. It's called, let's see if you can get that in focus. Sheer For It is what it says, and this is the color Left on Red. This is the actual it says on there too, on the container. And it's by e.l.f. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and apply some of the and get our blush brush. That's super important for applying this. Do we already? Yes, I already got that out. Okay. Now this dries fast, so you have to work fast. And you just kind of go like that. When I first tried it, I tried putting it on the back of my hand first, and then, you know, getting it up and going, but the color, it just, you know, it was too light. It wasn't showing up. So we gotta actually directly put it on your cheek. The back of the hand thing isn't gonna work. You just have to, you know, be quick about blending this in, and I think that we got a good saturation over here. Okay, and we're gonna do the right side now. Oh, let me fix my eye liner here. Use my little Master Precise Skinny Micro Liner. We got a lot more on this side than on this side, so we need to even that up. Okay, so that's even. Okay. Yeah, and I like to apply my blush up high to get that lifted look. You know, especially when you start getting to be a certain age, you cannot apply your your blush low, it's really gonna drag you down, in my opinion, if you do that. And you don't really want to get too much on the apples, because again, that's gonna, drag you down. Just a little bit, Okay. Gotta get color saturation with that. And I'm going in under my eyes with this. I really like it to just lift and be high. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do the lip stain. I'm going to line my lips with CoverGirl's Outlast lip stain and Honey Sculpt. I don't know. Hopefully you can see that. I'm trying to get better at this. All right. Okay. Alrighty. Hopefully, okay, you guys can see that. And also, if you like, you can just kind of, blend this so it's not so severe. You can just take your finger, and blend it out a little bit. Okay. All right, now we're going to go ahead and apply this on our lips.